Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Change Conditional Logic feature in BitForm. Let's begin. In the BitForm dashboard, I have already created a contact form. To edit this form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the Edit option below the form name. First, navigate to the Settings section. Then select Conditional Logics. Click on the Add Conditional Logic button. Set the condition based on your purpose. If the country field value is changed, then the donate amount field value is empty. Then click on the Update button. When the country is changed while filling out the form, the donate amount field value will be cleared. Now let's fill out the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.